G'day, another Silver Tempest Blister Challenge. Just to whip his butt again. Look at that, contempt for his packs. Alright, anyway, we're going to rip these out.
Salty ass boomers.
Salty ass boomers, pulled 2 gold cards last time.
Yeah, because I gave you the better pack.
I picked my own, buddy. That's the same as I made him pick his own this week because all he sucks about is not getting anything. Yeah.
Oh, not that one.
I hand picked mine this time, which I normally pick anyway. But yeah, we've got some good stuff coming up. We've just done all the pre-orders for the up-and-coming release in November, which is supposed to be the one.
The Pikachu set.
The Pikachu set.
Wow.
It's on your side.
See, he's throwing packs on the floor because he already knows that these packs are trash.
Well, look at these little critters there. What are they? Vixpins or something?
Vulpix?
Vulpix, thank you.
Okay.
I like the is that the dragon?
No.
Sort of?
Yeah, like, technically, but no. It's not a dragon
It's
type.
a yes or no question, mate.
Well, it's not a dragon type, but it is a dragon.
Anyway, while he's dribbling, I'm going to rip the first one.
You asked the question.
Yeah, just yes or no.
Well, it's a dragon, but it's not a dragon type.
Whoa! Doesn't mean anything anymore. White back. Nah. Used to mean something once. There you go, guys. Code card. And what do we do?
Yeah, when we
energy. Not energy. 1, 2. What do we do? I can't even remember.
You do.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, fuck that up.
Did I?
No.
He's swearing. How gross is that, eh? Eh? Alright, so we got a trainer. We don't want to name Lance. And we got a Clang. And we got a Croc of nothing. We got a Fluffy. It's like a Fluffy duck. And then we have a Fletchling. And then we have a Chimicho. And then we have a Freebie. Not happening, son. I got a Radiant.
Yeah, Radiant.
What's that? Why'd you put the blue in the wrong spot, dude? I got a Radiant. And I got a rare, but I'm just going to slot it in with yellow because, yeah, really. Do you want to sleeve the Radiant?
Nope.
No?
You should sleeve it, yeah.
No, but I mean, you want it sleeved, yeah. Well.
Enter code.
It's pretty though, isn't it? Look.
Oh, you just want to talk to my face? That's fine.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah. Let's double check that while we're here. Is that in... Yeah, that's plenty of shot. I forget that all the cards come this way because he sits... He takes it from my face.
Yeah.
It's bullying. I'm telling you, Pete, it's bullying. Leventon, Batang, Toxapeck, Venonat, Ralts, Spender, Pikachu and Friends, Noibat.
Dragons.
I got a reverse hollow. Ligand.
This is the hollow.
Reverse hollow.
Foil.
Yeah, same thing. Reverse hollow foil.
Confuse the old man.
Well, I like to call them foils, but everyone calls them reverse hollows, including you. So
No, I call them foils now. You've converted me.
well, good.
Code card.
They're
White
foils.
back. Got a red energy. And we got a Toxic, a Professor, a Meditang, a Beldrum, a Croc, a Solace,
Yeah, crocus.
a Zubat, or whatever that is. I got a Crocodile and a Gardevoir.
Where's your red? Oh, okay.
I'm just going to put him here.
No, yeah. I just assume Gardevoir is like one of those big cards where it's a hefty rare. Code card.
Oh, wow, generous on your code card sharing today.
I'm always generous on the code cards. What do you want about? Energy. Dracloak. Anorith? I don't even know how you say that. Matang. Murkrow. Emolga. Metatype. Durant. Rolls for the people at home. I didn't get to see what it was, but I saw it something. Definitely something, yep. And Articuno. So the box is mine. We'll just say that. I win this.
Oh my god.
Mate. It's good.
We already got it.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we got a master set.
No, we don't, mate.
We do. Do you guys want to see our master sets? Well, you can't. Because I hid them. Because someone tried to break in and steal my shit.
No, you're swearing.
Serena, Regen,
See? Boomer's the hypocrite.
Duo, Sunken, Fluffy, indeed. Marini, that one, Mildred, a Millie Chop, and a Victoria Vicente. We already got this one as well, which is a bit of a shame.
See how hypocritical it was? Accused me of swearing and then swore himself.
Well, I didn't make a bad swear, it was only a little swear.
Swear's a swear, mate.
Oh.
No, don't put that on top of mine. That's a card we have already. This is not.
Somebody's saying be quiet.
Hey, we don't have that card, so I'm putting it over there. Wait, you got more packs than me.
5, 6.
Well, why have you got 3 packs left, but you went first? I have 3 as well, so.
Yeah.
Code.
So you had 7. Wow.
No. This is my 3rd pack.
Yep. I've only opened 2.
No, you opened 3.
Just do it.
Just
do
he's
it.
trolling me, people.
Do it, laddie.
Just gonna wait for him to. Generative Energy, Duosion, V-Guard Energy, Fanfi, Fletchling, Chimecho. I got a Feebas. I got a Fennekin. I got a Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Did it, boys.
I did it. I did it again. Did it again. That Talonflame's a nice little card though. I mean, people can not be happy that they didn't get the big ticket items, but it's a nice card. Right, blue. How cool is blue? Lance, Fletchy, Clangy, Clanger, Clungy, and I'm sticking all the stars on the wrong one. I got a Drowsy, a Spinny, I got a Roltz, a Croc, a Durant, and I got a Reggie Dedjevich.
Oh, nice. I got a Slurpuff, a Raichu, a Therathorn, a Fletchling, a Chimecho, a Phoebus, which is the only water Pokemon we've got so far, Fennekin, Spinarak. I got Miss Magius. Oh, that's upside down. There. No salt. And a code card for people. Hey mate, we're working. Oh, so he's just gonna ask his phone mid-video.
No, it's just from a dear friend.
Yeah, right.
There you go, code card.
You didn't even ask.
Oh, it's just a simple thumbs up.
Didn't even
Common
ask.
courtesy. Oh, I don't care. You didn't want to tell me. We need that one.
Well, I know, but you didn't want to tell me. And I'm putting it over here because
Green energy.
I've only bought things we need.
Dragon. Tori. Toxic. Emoji. Chimmy Chim. Bungary. Drowsy. Spinny. One of my favourites, Ninetales. I think we already got that one.
Which one?
The Ninetales.
Yeah. See? Still, sell it. Can't even wait 30 seconds. Yo, cameraman, can we get a zoom in over there? I can't even take 3 seconds to have a bit of fun.
If I don't answer it, it's just going to ring.
Psychic energy. I got a emergency. Araquidos, great card. Stone Journal, Solosis, Zubat, LGM, Fungus, Sandygus, more Peko, and an Armoldo. That's your code. Oh, no. Oh, that's just. I'd never try like that in the middle of his segment.
Energy. Fluoride Girl. Dolphin. Brazen. Sandy. Recanth. Ha Ha. Ruffet. Vixen. Aquanid. Oh, we got that the other day. Got another one for the trade folder anyway. Got Usalavi. We got that the other day too, didn't we?
I don't know what that is.
Ursaluna.
Ursaluna.
Ursaluna. V. Awesome card. Look at that.
Potentially his first hit.
Every card I get's a hit, mate. Because we can trade these.
Slurpuff, Punchcrow, Raichu, Rufflet, Vulpix, Drowsy, Growlithe, Mischievous, Victini. No, that's half name.
Well, not a good pack of 6 each then. Not too bad though. Do you want to check the folder?
Do you want to check it out?
Do you want to do a different video for that?
No? Do you want to check it out?
I'll do it.
Is that there?
Yep.
That's.
I had it all ready.
Yeah, people. Let me just quickly pack this up for you.
Don't stop.
Here.
Sorry for the pause, everyone. He's been bullying his elder abuse.
Do you have Durant?
I don't know.
I don't think it's elder abuse to try and treat
That's
stuff with
Durant.
respect. Yeah, so you have it. Yeah.
I did say, yep.
Lilligan.
What did you say?
Lilligan. It's green.
It's like yelling at me. I don't like it. We need
Borderline.
that one.
Borderline whispering. I don't know how it's yelling.
I don't like it.
They don't tell you. They tell you the war stories of them. They don't tell you how sensitive they are. Okay. Victini.
That's awesome.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I need to write them down.
Okay, just give me 2 seconds. Okay, just... What was the first one?
Lily,
Yeah, Lily again.
Lilligan,
Victini.
Victini. We already got the 9 tails. Have I got it in my collection?
Yeah, you do.
Do?
We can check it at the end.
No. Okay.
Okay, do you have... You got the 9 tails. Yeah, you got it. Cool. Blue. Araquanid.
Which one?
Araquanid. Okay.
We have that one.
Okay, cool. Purple. Miss Magius.
Oh, that complete page.
Cool. More Peko. No, that's alright. More Peko. Black. Let's do the crocodiles while we're here. Crocodile. Crocodile, what do we use?
Yep.
Next page.
Do you need to write it down?
Yep. So I'm gonna write both down at the same time.
Oh, that's nice. Got the other side of the hollow.
Crocorock and crocodile. Okay, more Pecco. Got more Pecco, cool. Got the radiant, yeah. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. We need to go to blue. Like 90% sure we got it. Yeah, it's there. The Articuno is under your hand. Now, yellow. Next page, we're looking for Reggie. Yep, Reggie Lucky. We got the unknown. Now can we get a brown? Okay. At the back. Okay. Can you read any of those numbers? Oh yeah, never mind. Go to the back. It's TG anyway. Okay. I'm looking for number 2. So we got that. And 17.
I see any of it, sorry.
Well, let's have a look. Is he number 1? Well, if that's number 2,
Well,
so that's
not
9,
one.
exactly. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right out. Okay, people, just gonna give you a nice zoom up of the only pull of the entire pack. And they didn't get to see it. Great. That's fine.
Sorry.
It's fine. Yeah, that's good enough. I had it too close, it didn't focus.
Sorry.
And that's it. So we added in, what's that? 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. And I'm going to put that down as TG17. There you go. We're done.